Hi everyone, and welcome back to the video series on Learn Turkish for Beginners. In this A1 level series, we will cover the basics of the Turkish language. In the previous video, we learned a few greetings in Turkish, and in the second lesson, we will learn a few basic phrases. It is important that you repeat after me what you hear during the lesson. Okay, so let's get started. First, we go with yes, no, and maybe. Evet, hayır, belki. Evet, hayır, belki. Great job. Next one. Lütfen. Lütfen, which is please. Okay. That must be easy. Pardon. Pardon for excuse me. Good. This is something you already know from the previous video. Teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. Thanks, right? So the next alternative is to say thank you instead of thanks, and it would be teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. Okay, and even better, thank you very much. Çok teşekkür ederim. Çok teşekkür ederim. Okay, really good. And you are welcome. Rica ederim. Rica ederim. Okay. And if you want to say I'm sorry, üzgünüm. Üzgünüm. Okay. Next one. When you don't understand something and you want the person to repeat it, you can say tekrar lütfen. Tekrar lütfen, which means please repeat. Okay. And the last phrase of this video. Bir dakika lütfen. Bir dakika lütfen. Just a minute, please. Okay, great job so far. Now we will be summarizing everything that we have learned in this video. I will read them all out loud and please repeat after me. Okay, are you ready? Good, here we go. Evet. Hayır. Belki. Evet. Hayır. Belki. Lütfen. Lütfen. Pardon. Pardon. Teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. Çok teşekkür ederim. Çok teşekkür ederim. Rica ederim. Rica ederim. Üzgünüm. Üzgünüm. Tekrar lütfen. Tekrar lütfen. Bir dakika lütfen. Bir dakika lütfen. Okay, how did you do so far? Good. That was it for today. Thanks for watching and feel free to watch this video again. Don't forget to subscribe. Teşekkürler. Görüşürüz.